Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to clear the immediate causes first. Open developer options and make sure USB debugging is off for now. This prevents background triggers. Next, go straight to Settings, Apps, and choose to show System Apps. Locate the bug report or Google app and force stop it. This halts the crash loop. Once done, clear cache only, do not clear data yet, because cache removal often fixes corrupt temporary files without losing settings. If the crash persists, you need to reset app data and permissions carefully. Clear data for the offending app to remove corrupted prefs. You'll lose custom settings but often stop repeated crashes. Next, open permissions and revoke, then regrant camera, microphone, and storage as required so the app reinitializes cleanly. Also check Google Play services and Android system web view, update them. If a recent update caused the problem, roll back to a previous stable version to restore compatibility. For final measures, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app triggered the crash. If the problem disappears, uninstall recent apps one by one. If safe mode doesn't help, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep system corruption. Before resetting, generate and save a full bug report so you or support can diagnose root causes later. If you still hit errors, provide that bug report when contacting Xiaomi or Google support to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.